Hi guys, I'm Christian B. Thomas. During this lockdown, cooking has become my hobby. I'm making a chocolate cake today. This is my first video and first time baking also. Maybe you can surprise your parents with this cake at home. Now we are going to talk about dry ingredients. Dry ingredients are 1 cup of flour, half sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. The wet ingredients are 3 eggs, 80 ml of ghee or vegetable oil, 275 ml of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and all at room temperature. So I'm going to put it here on the pan, this ghee. And just wipe it down, wipe it down with the tissue, like any cloth. No. Just wipe it down everywhere. So we are going to put this cocoa powder on this pan, like spread it down everywhere, and then we will you have to spread it everywhere on the whole pan. So I've done spread it all over the whole pan, so I'm going to keep this aside. First you need to combine the dry ingredients in a mixing bowl with a whisk. That is flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and ghee. After mixing it, just mix it a bit and keep this aside. Now we are ready. So we are going to mix the wet ingredients. So I'm going to put all 3 eggs here. Yeah, this is egg 1. Pop the egg 2. Here we go. And this is last egg 3. Pop it. Hit and take. Okay guys, so we have done the wet ingredients, so we are going to put this on here. Put this mix here. Okay. You have to put the whole thing. Again, just mix it. So again, we can put. So now the cake mix is ready. So the cake mix is ready. So So we're going to put this in the oven. Keep this on 180 degree and let it bake for 30 minutes. So it's done. Cake is finally done, so we can keep it and let it cool for some time. So finally it's cooled down, so we just take small bite. Very small bite. So it's a nice cake. So it went out good. So hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe.